Let me ask you a question. Are you looking for a way to automate your reports, organize your data, and track it all with ease? No matter what kind of business that you have, you can create reports, trackers, tables, charts, diagrams, and much more using just one simple program. Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, everyone wants to learn it, and everyone wants to be good at it. There is no other tool out there that can do everything Excel can. It's simply amazing, but if you're like many people, opening an Excel spreadsheet causes your mind to immediately go blank. Or maybe you've used it before but decided to stop because all the complicated commands and numerous buttons to navigate to. If this is you, then you may be asking yourself, where exactly do I start? How can I learn all these complicated formulas? Which functions would be the most useful for my business needs? And how do I extract my data to an Excel worksheet? How can I use Excel to track and organize my reports? You don't have to be an analyst or technical expert to learn how to use Excel or apply it to your business needs. This course can teach nearly anyone how to use Excel like an expert. Once you complete the video course, you'll be amazed at how much you've been missing out on by not using Excel for your day-to-day needs. And you'll find that it really helps you work faster and makes your job easier and work life more convenient. Imagine extracting, organizing, sorting, and customizing all of your data all in under 1 minute. So we have video by video, step by step, and I'm going to be breaking down the essentials for you, translating it into layman terms so that you don't have to go through lengthy textbooks or manuals to try to figure out what exactly the technical terms mean. I'm going to show you the shortcuts that you need to become Excel savvy in a very simple basic term. So you're going to discover the business spreadsheet hacks that will automate your business using Excel shortcuts starting today. This video course was designed to give you a comprehensive yet simple step-by-step guide and exercise workbook for your business needs. It is filled with business spreadsheet tips and shortcuts to make your work life almost effortless. So here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this particular video. So we have video number 1, which is the introduction. Video number 2, which is Excel 101, so we get the basics down first. Video number 3, customizing worksheets. Video number 4, how to clean up your data through sorting. Video number 5, adding fully automated customized formatting, part number 1. And number 6 is going to be part 2 of that. Video 7 is to extract the information that you need, the fast route, part number 1. Video number 8 is going to be part number 2 for that. Number 9 is going to be part 3. And video number 10 is going to be 15 quick Excel functions that you wish you had always known. So don't wait any longer to automate your business. Grab this video course and be free from tedious manual computations, shortening the time that you spend from hours to minutes, beginning today. So go ahead and grab this video course today, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side.